morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you guys doing? So in today's video, we want to unbox our items, our Christmas items. Okay, first of all, here is my husband. Greet my
hi guys. Thumbs up.
And that is my beautiful daughter and my son.
Hi.
Okay?
Hi.
Okay, so if you are new here, you are highly welcome. In case you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Subscribe to this channel. Subscribe
and see the latest.
So guys, let's dash into the video. Stay tuned. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Okay guys, first of all, this is what I picked for my son. You can see it here. This is Shein. You can see it. So I picked this one for my son. So I was actually doing shopping. You guys know it's Christmas, so you just need to do a little bit shopping. So this is Christmas stockies. Okay, you can see it here. This is Christmas stockies, and I bought two, one for my daughter and one for my son. So they actually look alike. It's the same thing. Let me remove the label. Okay, this is how it looks. You can see it here. This is how it looks. Then it have this this food munch. You can see it here. So you have all these things here. So I got two. You can see the right top, Merry Christmas. So I bought two. Then I also bought this cap. Actually, it's not cap. You guys know here in Europe it's very cold. So this time around you just need to cover yourself very well before going out. So I got this one also for my son. Whenever he's going out, he's going to put it on his neck, okay? Or he can still wear it in the head. Then draw it like this. So this is the jeans I got also. This is the jeans. This is how it looks. This is the design. Let's see it here. Can see it. So I removed the label. This one is for 9 years to 10 years. Okay. Can see it. I don't know what is wrong with this light. Okay. So this is how it looks. This is at the back. They have these two rope here. See. Then I also picked something for my husband. So this one is jeans. This one is black. The label is still on it. I forgot to remove the label. So the same thing with my son. Okay, so my son's own is dark blue jeans, while my husband own is black. You can see it, the same rope on it. So this is how it looks. You can see it down the zip. This one is for Oga in the house. We are making shopping for everybody in the house. So I also got some beautiful is it t-shirt? I don't know. I got some beautiful sweaters. This is how it came. You can see it here. I got two. One for me, one for my husband. Okay. This is the design. I think I have to open one. You know. I begin to guys, this is how it looks. You can see it. This is how it looks. This one is for Christmas. You guys know that the way they celebrate Christmas in Europe is different from the way they celebrate it in Africa, most especially Nigeria. I remember those days when I was in Nigeria, my mom used to buy clothes for every one of us, you know, maybe sometimes Nigerian print or lace, you know, we'll give it to tailor and sew it for everybody. But here in Europe, it's a little bit different. You can actually use pyjama for Christmas, because here you don't normally go out on Christmas Day because of the weather. Okay, everybody will just be at home celebrating their Christmas with their children, husband, or with their relatives here in abroad. So it's different from the way they celebrate it in Nigeria. Okay, so this is how it actually looks. Okay, so we bought this one for me and one for my husband. It's actually the same thing. Okay, the same color, everything is the same. This one is for me and this one is for my husband. Okay, so we are going to put on this one on Christmas. They have these lovely designs here. You can see how it looks. You see it. This is how it actually looks. Okay, I decided to pick this color. Normally it's red, okay, because here in Europe, the white people normally celebrate Christmas with red, you know, red colors like white, you know. So this year I decided to choose this color for me and my oga. Then the next one is this one. This is a hoodie I got for my son and for my daughter. So this is how it came. You can see it. This one, they are going to wear this one for Christmas, you know, just to celebrate, because the weather is very, very cold. So we don't normally go out for Christmas. Everybody will be in their houses celebrating Christmas with their families and everything. So this year we did not travel, didn't go to anywhere. Here is Europe, not Africa. Supposing we are in Africa now, I believe that we are going to travel to, you know, our relatives and all that. But here in Europe, there are different ways they celebrate Christmas here. Okay, so I got this hoodie for my son. You can see it. This is the front and this is the back. So it's actually two. They are going to put on the same thing. My son and my daughter, they are going to wear the same thing. You guys see, this one is for my son. Then this one is for my daughter. My daughter's own have design at the back. You see it. Then at the front, have this right up here at the front. While my son's own, he have this big design in the front. Then back, nothing. So it's almost the same thing. It's just that they put design at this one in the back, while this one at the front. So it's the same thing. I bought two for them. Then I also got this cap. As I was making shopping, you know, I just saw this cap just pop up. I decided to add it to my cart and make the payment. Okay, this is the cap. I will not wear this one now. This one is not for cold time. It's not for this cold. So I'm going to reserve it for summer. Yeah, summer we normally wear this kind of cap. I look like this Mommy Gio. Merry Christmas. No, this one is not for Christmas. Okay, so I decided to just add it to my cart. I love it. I like it the way it is. Very simple, not too much of design. I just like it. Okay, so I bought this one also. Then as the big mama in the house, as a chef, so I decided to add this one also. I saw it when I was making shopping. You see, this one is cap. In case I'm cooking in the kitchen, I just need to put it on. Wait, let me do it very well. Don't laugh. Okay, this is how it's supposed to look, but the cap is too small for me. I'm going to amend it. I have sewing machine. I'm going to do it back. Look at the way they pin it. They have this stitch here, then you pin it like this. This is how it looks. So I decided to buy it. It's very cheap, low cost. You see? The big mama in the house. So whenever I'm cooking in the kitchen, I just put this cap on. So guys, I think everything is finished. This is what I got from Shein, baby. So guys, thank you all so much. I hope you do like this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like it, and also share. Thank you all guys, till I come your way again. Bye.